Hi there, this is RK and I'm going to share some views of Nepal. I'm living here for a long time and which is real adventurous and interesting. I always wanted to live in a place which is all surrounded by nature and wilderness, and that dream had come true. So I migrated myself here. Anyway, this is the story of transition of my life. Friends, I am showing you some views around my place, but there is lot more to show with my friends, villagers, animals and more other interesting elements. We'll do it in next video.